Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data using Alteryx Designer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening Alteryx Designer on your computer. Create a new workflow by selecting New Workflow from the File menu. Next, locate your input data source. Click on the Input Data tool from the tool palette. Drag the Input Data tool onto the canvas. In the configuration pane, click the drop-down menu to select your data source. Browse to the location of your file and click Open. Once your data is loaded, you will see a preview in the configuration pane. Now, add any necessary transformations to the data using tools from the palette. For example, you might want to use the Select tool to choose specific columns. Drag the Select tool onto the canvas and connect it to your Input Data tool. Configure the Select tool to include or exclude columns. Next, if your data requires cleaning, consider adding the Data Cleansing tool. Drag the Data Cleansing tool onto the canvas and link it to the Select tool. Configure the Data Cleansing tool to remove unwanted characters or null values. To output your clean data, find the Output Data tool in the tool palette. Drag the Output Data tool onto the canvas. Connect it to your last transformation tool. In the configuration pane, choose a destination for your output file. Specify the file format, such as CSV, XLSX, or a database connection. Name your output file and select a folder to save it in. Once all tools are connected and configured, run your workflow by clicking the Run button. Monitor the progress window to ensure there are no errors. Upon successful completion, check the output file at the designated location. Review the data to confirm the transfer and transformations were executed correctly. Your data transfer using Alteryx Designer is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.